Hey guys, feels good to be back. Finally settling into my new place so I can film videos again, which is pretty awesome. Today I'm making blonde chocolate. It's a form of caramelized white chocolate. For this recipe, all you need is white chocolate with a cocoa solid content of at least 30%. You can use the little rounds of chocolate or chips, but this was all I could find at my local store. Place your chocolate onto a baking tray and pop it into an oven heated to 120 Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. Pull the chocolate out and give it a stir every 15 minutes. If the chocolate looks gritty and lumpy, don't worry, as you stir it will become smooth again. Repeat this process until the chocolate becomes a rich golden brown. It should smell nutty and toasted. You can then serve the blonde chocolate as a warm sauce or mix it into buttercream or fillings. I tried to temper mine, unsuccessfully I might add, by using the back of a sheet pan as I don't have a marble slab in my new place. The final result was more of a fudge-like texture, which was actually super delicious. The flavor reminds me a lot of toasted marshmallow, so you can eat this on its own, top it with flaky sea salt, or add it into desserts. If you haven't already, consider connecting with me elsewhere at KAC Creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.